Introducing the 2025 Triumph Bobber TFC, where heritage meets high-end craftsmanship. This limited edition masterpiece takes the classic bobber to new heights of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. From the very first glance, the Triumph Bobber TFC sets itself apart. TFC, or Triumph Factory Custom, means this is no ordinary bobber. Each unit is numbered and produced in limited quantities, making it a collector's dream. The 2025 model features lightweight carbon fiber components, brushed aluminum highlights, and a hand-stitched leather seat for that extra touch of sophistication. Every detail tells a story of British craftsmanship and attention to detail. Beneath its elegant exterior lies raw power. The Bobber TFC is powered by Triumph's enhanced 1200cc high-power Bonneville engine, but this isn't the standard tune. The TFC variant delivers increased power, reduced weight, and refined throttle response for an exhilarating ride. Expect sharper acceleration, faster gear shifts, and a more responsive ride. Triumph's engineers have tuned the Bobber TFC to deliver a sportier feel while maintaining the iconic smoothness of the Bonneville lineage. Handling has been taken to the next level. The 2025 Bobber TFC comes equipped with premium Öhlins adjustable suspension, providing precise control and a more comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising the city or carving through canyons, this suspension system adapts to your every move. Braking power is equally impressive, thanks to the dual Brembo M50 calipers. Combined with a high-spec ABS system, you'll feel in total control, even in unpredictable conditions. Tech meets tradition in the Bobber TFC. The classic minimalist design hides modern features like the full-color TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, and customizable rider modes. Switch seamlessly between rain, road, and sport modes to suit your riding environment. Full LED lighting adds style and visibility, while cruise control comes standard for those long journeys. But let's be honest, a big part of the Bobber experience is the sound. The 2025 Bobber TFC features a custom titanium Vance and Hines exhaust with carbon fiber end caps, giving it a rich, growling note that demands attention on every ride. It's not just a sound, it's a statement. Owning a Bobber TFC means being part of an elite club. With only a limited number produced worldwide, each unit comes with its own unique serial number, engraved directly onto the frame. It's a mark of authenticity and exclusivity. Each Bobber TFC also comes with a TFC owner's pack, including a certificate of authenticity and exclusive memorabilia, making it as collectible as it is rideable. The 2025 Triumph Bobber TFC is more than a motorcycle, it's a work of art, a collector's item, and a performance machine all rolled into one. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or rarity, the Bobber TFC delivers it all in one unforgettable package. Ride rare, ride powerful, ride the 2025 Triumph Bobber TFC.